Okay, Bill and Christina Devine here with Coastal Properties Group, the Devine 360 team. We're at 1683 Polo Club here in Tarpon. Just a really nice neighborhood, great family community. Just right down the road there, you can kind of see the golf course, so you can actually just walk right out to that golf course. So just like I said, really great neighborhood, great schools. Had a busy open house today, but still have some people here actually, but just want to take you through and show you this lovely 3-bedroom 2-bath pool home here. All right, as we come in here, you can see the French doors looking out to the pool. Very lovely setting here. And then when you come in, you've got the laundry room, indoor laundry room here to your right, and then this goes out to the 2-car garage. Got the air handler. The air condition is about 6 years old, a newer water heater, and got some attic and storage space up there, and then a door that goes to the outside of the house. And it is a split bedroom floor plan, so we've got the primary bedroom on that side of the home, and then down this hallway are the 2 guest bedrooms and the guest bathroom. So everything's in really good shape. Got a little linen closet there in the bathroom. And here's bedroom 2. Both these bedrooms look out front. And then here's bedroom 3. Uses this as an office space. And then I'll take you over here. Well, let's take a look at the kitchen. Really nice job on the kitchen. Got the waterfall edge on the granite countertops. Propane gas coming into the home, so great for cooking. Newer stainless steel appliances. A really nice feature here, they added some custom built built-ins here for extra pantry and storage space, and then a little extra buffet serving area. Still have room for your hutch in the dining room, so yeah, you can sit plenty of people for the family get-togethers here. Still has some extra seating there at the bar. Got the microwave over there, so just great use of the space here. I'll take you out back. I love all the French doors surrounding the pool. So over here you've got great covered space. Obviously the TV there, the ceiling fan. Very nice setting here on conservation lot, so there'll never be any rear neighbors there. Got a little separate space set up for the grilling. Backyard is fully fenced in. You can see down here where the fence is, the property line just goes a couple feet past the fence down there, but you know, that's just conservation, so very nice nature setting out there, so very peaceful to set. They've got it set up to do a fire pit. Part of the golf course is further back that way, so again, plenty of privacy. Nobody will ever build back there. The pool's in great shape. Nice finish on the pool. It's a heated pool. And then we'll take you here. These French doors go into the primary bedroom. Right off the family room out there. So it's nice having the pool right off the primary bedroom. Hello. Oh, you're fine. And this is the primary bathroom. Got a little pocket door there to the watering hole. Nice soaking tub, and then got the walk-in shower here. And then a huge walk-in closet as well. So that's it. Very lovely home here in Tarpon Springs. It just hit the market, so come take a look for yourself.